Good odds this round, boys. You have good odds. Listen, we can trade new caves for clouds. Maybe that will actually... Wait, maybe we can do it for swamp. We can do it for swamp.
So we should do that. Huh?
Yeah. Alright, listen. I'm gonna station you in there. You're gonna be stationed in there.
Yeah, because I'm a sniper.
We have an offer.
Hold on. We're still making offers. Alright, you go to treehouse. Go to treehouse for right now. Alright, I'm coming to the border. No, go back up. I can shoot you over this border. Back up, sir.
Mountains for beach. Mountains for beach.
Oh, hell no! How about this? How about this? How about this?
Mountain for?
New caves for old caves.
No. Yeah, no.
Terrified, where are you?
How about, alright, what will you trade for new caves? Arcade?
Anything?
Bro.
Yeah, why didn't you shoot him? Hey! Alright, that's good.
I shot him.
So, would you like to make a trade for anything for mountains?
How about this? How about this? Arcade? Oh wait. Arcade for new caves.
Arcade for new caves. Yeah.
Ooh.
Wait, we can.
Good offer.
Yeah.
I'm giving you guys a lot.
We're gonna go talk. We're gonna go talk a little.
Alright, arcade's kind of a small space, so it doesn't give us much.
Wait, let's go to arcade and check out and see what they. Wait, no, because then they have the modded maps. Yeah, but they can.
Yo, weird.
Yo, you head to clouds. You head to clouds.
Wait, I'm in King.
Actually, wait a minute. Actually, you two just stay here. You two stay here. Where's our other guy? Get our other guy.
He's in King.
No, there's one more.
Actually giving them an advantage. If they see us and no one can shoot,
Hello, Foxy.
they can prepare.
Sorry.
Sure.
Sorry, guys.
Stay behind that border. Stay behind the border.
Sorry.
If I'm sitting
There's 4 people. Tell me, there's 4 people. Where's the other one?
here, wait, let's aim.
No, don't shoot. Don't
He's
shoot.
coming.
All right, stay. All right, you back up there. Back up there. Yeah.
See him, and then.
All right, guys, come on.
This
All right.
There's different games that are just like Gorilla Tag. Just like it. There's, you're back from talking. You're back.
Yeah.
No.
All right.
Yeah.
How about this? New caves for
Do
basements.
you have any other offers you would
New
like?
caves for basements.
For basement. Basement. Like.
Because they added nothing new to basement. I'll be honest, they added nothing new to basement.
But yeah, and the only thing
Trust
they
me.
can do is
Hey,
turn
look,
time,
look.
That's giving them a disadvantage.
Well, he knows
Trust me. Trust me.
So yeah.
Trust me, you guys.
I see him.
I have a plan for this. I have a plan.
Yeah, we're here.
He's gonna kick me out. He's gonna kick
Deal?
Yes.
Deal. All right, boys. All oranges. Actually, not all oranges.
Yeah.
All right. Skull mask. Hold on. Skull mask and
Well, it's gonna be a long time.
ambassador. Skull mask and ambassador. Go in. Actually, you two spread out between the others.
Alright, that's good.
You follow me.
Passing through to New Cave. We're passing through to New Cave. Go shoot him. Passing through to New Cave.
All right.
Go down there
Listen.
and die.
Listen. Now this is our territory.
Oh, he shot someone.
Hey.
Where am I posted?
Assassinate.
Where's he coming from? I do not
We
know.
need to talk about slowing.
I'm at 1. Yo.
Yo, why are y'all shooting our people?
He entered our house.
Here from Canyon.
He kept entering our house and hitting us. I'm at 1 now. Listen, guys, come here.
We'll have a good advantage.
Guys, come here now. Listen, we can get in and out of their base. They can only get into our
I
stuff.
think if we
Alright, listen. We can take over Metropolis. We can conquer everywhere. You
Why don't we?
go into Metropolis and stay at the computer. Make sure no one's there, though.
That's nothing. Nothing.
Yeah?
What if we?
Huh?
Why don't we do these?
they didn't think of
What do we do with these? Alright,
No,
alright.
bro.
Listen, you go
Beach
into
or
mountains.
metro?
Sit in the open. Sit behind the igloo.
Make
So
sure
I was spamming like this, and then that guy just ran into me,
Bruh.
and he started shooting at me.
Everyone who's
That's right.
blue, come to New Caves.
So it's his
Go to
fault.
mountains, go to mountains, go to mountains.
Everyone
Go.
below come to New
I
Cave.
repeat, we are
Go.
reporting to New Cave.
You go to forest. Oh, dude, are you dumb? Come on. In there.
For some reason, my left hand's glitched out from where I hit it really hard once. So look. Oh man. Shit. Bro. I think we're the only ones left. Should we just rush them? No, we shouldn't. Look, if they rush us, we're gonna die. We gotta stop. We are.
Yeah, it's a 2v3. Hey, what are you doing? Hello.
You're not hiding. Hey, bro,
I'm not. I'm looking for my friend. What are you doing?
you only got one
Hey,
balloon.
he's in mountains.
He's one in mountains.
Mountain.
Mountains. Oh, right. That's our territory.
Shit! Boys, I lowered their leader.
He's in mountains. He's in mountains.
Come shoot. Come shoot.
Where is he? Where is he?
I'll go.
Go!
Look for the other ones.
No, go blue! Oh, wait, not blue. Shit. Shit.
Bro, imagine I sniped him right there. That would be crazy.
Wait, did you hit him?
Yeah, I hit him
He
once.
will be here now.
Is he dead? Is my teammate dead? Go! Go, teammate!
He's racing. He's running up mountains. Run.
I got your back!
Run up mountains. I repeat.
Get back!
No.
My teammate.
Nah, thank you. But we made my.
Hey, you slowed my
the
team
leader.
last game. I'm slowing you this game. No, just keep going, Orange. Keep running. Go to forest. No. He's fast. Crap, he's fast. He's fast. He's fast. Ambassador, come out. Come out and get him. Ambassador.
Blue, where did you go? Santa Hat, where you
Ambassador.
at? I'm in the forest.
Real monkey. Come on. Shit.
Where is he?
I don't know.
I'll get him.
He won't answer.
I'll get him to come out.
Oh, I think I know.
No, I don't know if he's in there. Come on, Skull Mask.
No?
Snipe him down.
Sniper, ready. Sniper, one in position.
Where did
Other blue, where are you? Orange.
Alright, get him. He's right here.
Come out. I just want to.
Get him. He's right here.
Why are you running?
He's slowed. Shoot him. Hat, chicken. I don't know where my team is. Bum ass. Alright, where's Skull Mask? Be ready.
Go search. Let's go, city. Right.
Did he?
I heard something in there. I hear him.
He's in basement.
They're coming! I told you. Yes!
W.
There's one.
Me. Where? Santa Hat. They're coming up from Metropolis. Get him. He has two. And then there's
He's
one.
right there.
I think.
Yes!
Right.
Get him!
They both got
Yeah! Let's go! Yeah!
Bro.
Hey, you see why I wanted basement? You see why I wanted basement?
Yeah. Wait.
W! We're just too good.
Oh, this is.
But he don't realize I'm here, yeah. I'm gonna touch your rear, yeah.
What about you? Get him! Get him! Get him!
Yeah. That's fair.
I'm gonna vote for no one in the presidential election because I'm 12.
He shot. He shot. He-
Forest.
Gotta go.
Too easy.
W shot.
Alright guys, my headset's low.